Okay, on the 2010 Shercos, the gas tank is vented through this vent line here that runs all the way to the bottom of the bike. It's got a one-way check valve on it that only allows air to pass into the tank. It won't allow gas to go back out. So this is nothing more than a vent line. The problem is when the factory did the first bunch of bikes, they made this line too long and it hangs out the bottom of the bike and can actually get plugged with mud and not allow the gas tank to vent, which will eventually have your bike starve for fuel and stop as the tank creates vacuum. So what we're going to do is modify this line so that that doesn't happen to you. And you just pull the line up through here. It's going to come out the bottom of the bike and up the side here and out the top. And you can see this hose is very lengthy. It was probably hanging out the bottom of the bike a good 3 or 4 inches, which made it susceptible to clogging of the mud. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off. You can cut off 6 to 8 inches of it. It really doesn't, it's not an exact length, but you do want to angle the cut on your hose so that this line can't lay up against anything and plug itself off. So we're just going to put a little angle on the hose. So you can see I got 6 to 8 inches coming off, and then I'm going to reinstall the hose back in past the shock. Just kind of guide it down with your finger so it starts heading towards the bottom of the bike. And you're back in, your hose is running the right way. Reinstall your fenders, go riding. You won't have any problems with the vent hose.